a sunny meadow bright and fair lived a speedy, boastful hare. He hopped and skipped and laughed out loud. I'm the fastest, he told the crowd. Slow and steady, calm and wise, walked the tortoise, small in size. Hare said, race me, that's a joke. You're too slow, dear crawling folk. Tortoise smiled and said, let's try. We'll see who wins beneath the sky. The forest cheered, hip hip hooray. A race will happen today. Ready, steady, off they ran. Hare sped fast as only he can, zooming quickly down the track. Never once did he look back. Tortoise plodded step by step, slow and steady, never slept. One small foot in front of two, I'll keep going, he softly knew. Hare looked back with a silly grin. This race is easy, I will win. I'll take a nap beneath this tree. He won't catch up, just wait and see. Under the tree he closed his eyes, dreaming sweet of victory prize. Snore went Hare so fast asleep, while Tortoise climbed the hill so steep. Step by step and mile by mile, Tortoise wore a patient smile, passing Hare without a sound, closer to the finish ground. Suddenly Hare woke with a jump. Oh no, oh dear, his heart did thump. He raced ahead with all his might, like a flash of furry light. But near the line, guess what they saw? Tortoise crossed with steady paw. The crowd all cheered, hooray, hooray. Slow and steady wins the day. Hare felt shy and learned a lesson. No more bragging or proud confession. Work with patience, do your best. That's the way to win the test. So remember, girls and boys, life's not always speed and noise. Slow and steady, brave and true, success will surely come to you.